stunning homes, 1-acre lots, around $400,000. Well, that got your attention. You can hear when the wind blows, the trees rustling, you can hear the birds chirping, you can be on your back patio and see deer, wild turkey, rabbits. We're here at Arbor Oaks and Boyd, Texas. Are you ready?
The city of Boyd has about 1,500 people, rolling hills flanked by a canopy of trees. There's a really nice, quaint downtown. You really feel like you've unplugged from the big city, because you have. And this brings us back to our featured community, Arbor Oaks in Boyd, Texas. And many of you have asked, hey Tracy, I need a home with a little bit more acreage, a little bit more land, elbow room between the homes. And can you find homes with acre or so in other areas in our DFW Metroplex? Of course you can. But the bigger question is, can you find a brand new home in a brand new community on 1 acre starting in the low $400,000? Forget about it. That's what makes this community so special, so rare. So let me hit the pause button, pick up the phone and call Tracy right away. Because if you've been looking for a beautiful home on a 1 acre lot, your search is over. There are only 52 homes in this neighborhood. There are 3 builders who can build your dream home here. And today we're going to showcase Sheldon Homes. Be sure to subscribe so you know when anything is going down around town. Step inside the double doors that lead to your home study. Oh, wait until you see what's on the other side of this door. Now, this study is strategically located at the front of the home, so you're always in the know of who's coming and who's going, including the numerous packages landing on your front porch. Look at this closet, how it helps you keep all of the confidential files confidential, along with all of your other office supplies. Now let's take a stroll to the private wing, and we're going to start by the incredible privacy that you will have in this space, the laundry room. Let's just be honest. No one is going to deliberately come to this room, especially voluntarily, so it's rather private. And the other space down the hallway is your beautiful primary suite with a wall of windows allowing natural light to cascade in. Take a look at this space. Here is your ooh la la spa-like bath. Now, as a standard, you're going to have the cultured marbled master bath garden tub with the backsplash, as well as those countertops. You can, as you can imagine, upgrade to optional stones that you might prefer. Maybe you like the granite, or maybe you want quartz. So that's something you can discover and discuss at the Design Center. Tell me, jump in the comments and let me know what you think about this incredible walk-in closet. And I always like a double vanity. 2 vanities make for one happy couple. Now that you've had the chance to see your relaxing retreat, let's check out the other parts of your home, starting with the heartbeat of the home, the place you'll enjoy family, entertain for the holidays and game watch parties, your beautiful kitchen. You'll enjoy 42-inch upper cabinets with crown molding to give it that extra layer of elegance. And as a standard, you will have granite countertops. Now this kitchen has tons of storage. If you don't already have a Costco or Sam's warehouse membership card, then you should make plans to do so. You will want to stock up because you don't have a Sprouts or Whole Foods or any major grocery store near you. You ask for small town country living, which comes with certain perks and a few quirks. You'll get used to it. Enjoy overlooking your large backyard while dining inside and out. As a standard, you will receive an attractive landscape package, irrigation system, and partially sodded yard. And you will also have an aerobic septic system. Now, for you city slickers out there, you may have no idea what that means. We'll chat about it later. You'll also have a large cover patio, which will be appreciated 11 months of the year. Welcome to Texas, y'all. You're welcome. Let's step back inside where it is a bit cooler and take a look at your living space. Now, you're going to enjoy, as a standard, a 36-inch wood burning fireplace with the brick surround wood mantle. Now, this is the model home. So the brick is all the way to the ceiling and the brick around the fireplace. So you can certainly have this look as an option. By now, you may be wondering, where are the children going to sleep? Here are two other spacious bedrooms with really nice walk-in closets.
Subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up.
Remember when we started the tour, I mentioned there was a surprise on the other side of the door of the study? Well, here it is. You can open the other door of the study to see and hear exactly what the children are up to. Oh, by the way, your students will attend either Boyd or Springtown Independent School District. This is a model home with tons of optional features that are considered upgrades from the primary suite, the kitchen, the lights, the flooring, and more. Sheldon offers 11 floor plans and a 3-car garage. This is the Iverson 4 with 2195 square feet, priced at around $440,000. And remember, you get all of this on a 1-acre lot. This is a segment I call Know Before You Go, and here are two important things. One is the price. Whenever we quote prices when we have these home tours, that is the base price. Basic, get you in the community, get you into a home. But you've lived with you all of your life, and your friends describe you as maybe extra because you don't do basic. Well, that's fine. Your lot premium with the view, well, that's extra. The premium features inside, that's extra, and you can have them. You just have to pay a little extra for them. And the second thing is really important because prices are subject to change is representation, because oftentimes your representative, your realtor, can perhaps get you a little bit more than maybe the builder is even offering. Let's think of it this way. You can walk right into the sales office, visit with the person, and that person is very knowledgeable, very friendly. But when you think for a moment, that salesperson's fiduciary duty is to their employer, who happens to be the builder. And their job is to protect the interests of their employer. Well, don't you deserve the same level of advocacy? And perhaps as your realtor, I can help you get even more, whether it's price, terms, benefits, than you may be able to get directly from the builder. And here is a bonus. I want you to lean in, because many of you don't realize that representation is so important that the builder will pay me to represent you during one of the most important transactions you'll ever have. And I think I know what your next question is. Tracy, where is Boyd?
To put things in perspective so you'll know where Boyd, Texas is in relation to all the other places you'll go, experience, and explore. Boyd is in red. And remember, there's only 1,500 people who call Boyd home. So you are going to hop in the car and drive about 30 miles to the city of Fort Worth. And there is so much to do in the city of Fort Worth. You'll have to catch one of my other videos. But I'll tell you, it is where we celebrate our Western heritage. But there's so many great things to do between Boyd and Fort Worth, such as stopping over to enjoy Eagle Mountain Lake, which is about 21 miles from Boyd. And not only will you enjoy lake life, you can also get in a few rounds of some really great golf while you're over there at Eagle Mountain Lake. Oh, and did I mention you can hike, bike,
You can go for miles around Eagle Mountain Lake and enjoy the scenery. And about 22 miles from Boyd is Bridgeport Lake, and Weatherford is only about 30 miles from home. And in Weatherford, you have Lake Weatherford to enjoy. And by the way, the city of Weatherford is the peach capital of Texas. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And if you are watching this video and you've gotten this far, then you are all in on the opportunities to live on a 1-acre lot where you can actually enjoy nature. You know, the rustling of the trees, deer, maybe a few wild turkeys, and so many other beautiful things about living in a small town like Boyd, Texas. And if you right now thinking, hey Tracy, I'm a little bit more interested in Boyd and I never heard of it before, but I'm locked in right now, then comment below, grab one of those one-on-one consultation links so together we can better discover if Boyd, Texas is the one for you, or maybe you want to explore one of our other smaller communities and suburbs in our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, the best place for you to create your new memories and call home.